Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your brand visibility with Yelp step by step clearly. Create a free business account on Yelp. Visit the Yelp for Business website and click on Manage My Free Listing. Fill out the required information about your business. Confirm your ownership of the business through email verification. Once verified, log into your Yelp business account. Complete your business profile with an engaging description. Include relevant keywords that reflect your products or services. Select the most accurate business categories to enhance visibility. Add high-quality images that represent your brand effectively. Upload your logo, photos of your location, and images of your products or services. Provide essential details like business hours, location, and contact information. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews. Respond to all reviews, both positive and negative, to show engagement. Utilize Yelp's review response feature to clarify any concerns. Regularly update your listing with new photos, promotions, or changes in hours. Leverage Yelp's advertising options to boost your visibility further. Consider using Yelp's enhanced profiles to add additional features. Monitor your analytics to track your listing's performance and engagement. Adjust your strategy based on insights gained from your performance metrics. Stay active on the platform to maintain a strong presence in your community. Engage with users by posting updates and responding to inquiries promptly. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your brand visibility on Yelp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.